Hi guys, if you are using Aliexpress to dropship, for example, you are using Shopify or eBay or Etsy or Amazon, any platform, and you are using Aliexpress as a supplier and you want to start buying from Aliexpress for dropshipping, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about Aliexpress, how you can see if a seller is actually going to send the item or not, how you can spot fake sellers, how you can, a lot of things in this video. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able, guys, to know everything about Aliexpress and also how you can buy from Aliexpress if you are a dropshipper. Now, first, Aliexpress is like the biggest website in the world. It's trusted. You will get your money back in case something happens. If a buyer on your account opened the keys against you, you can also open the keys on Aliexpress and get your money back. Now probably you got an order and you want to buy the item. Now, for example, I got a sale and I have sold this item, for example, on my eBay or Shopify or Amazon or any shopping website. Now, after you get the sale, guys, you just want to buy it normally. Select the country of the buyer that has bought that thing from you, and then click change in the address, and then change your address and add at the very bottom, click add new address, and then add the address of the person that has bought an item from you on eBay or any platform. Like I said, the name of that person, the phone number of that person. If he doesn't have phone number, just put zeros there, the street and house. Make sure you put here the state. I'm going to choose, for example, the item is going to be shipped to United States. The person who has bought this from us lives in United States. They could just the state and the city, zip code, and after that you could just want to click confirm. Now, after you click confirm, guys, what you need to do, guys, next, this is very important, a lot of dropshippers don't do this, is you have to contact the seller and tell them that you are a dropshipper. Otherwise, they are going to include the original price of the item on the package. That's not what you want to do, guys. Now, what you need to do, guys, you want to contact the seller the moment you buy the item. Go to Aliexpress in the top right, and then select my orders, and here you will find all your orders. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on, as you can see, this message icon here where it says contact seller. Click on it and just talk to seller. Tell him that, hi, this is what you need to type, guys. Hi, please ship the item without original price. I am a dropshipper. That's all you need to do, guys, and then send the message to him by clicking this arrow, and that's exactly what you need to, guys. Next, now if you can see, like, if the feedback on the item is very low and the seller is very new, I don't think like you should buy for that seller. Find another seller. For example, this one is top brand. It has 97% positive feedback, lot of followers. This guy is trusted 100%. Just buy from this. But if someone has like zero feedback, don't trust them. Go with someone who has at least like 400 feedback. 200, 100 is fine. So that's what you need to do, guys. And after the item is being shipped, you will find the tracking number. You just want to click on the item itself, click on it, and then scroll down a little bit, and you will find the tracking number. Okay, you will find the tracking number, and then you can give it to your buyer or add it to the item on the platform that you are using, for example eBay or any platform. Now I'm going to find, for example, like these orders are very old, so because I'm not using this Aliexpress anymore, I use another one. So like I said, just click on and then you will find the tracking number here, and then you can add it to your item that you have sold on your platform. Congratulations for using Aliexpress, because it's the best. It's really the best. You will never find anything better than Aliexpress. If you have discovered Aliexpress, you just made a lot of things easier with dropshipping because of the profit margin. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.